Hi everyone, my paper pumpkin 5th anniversary box just got here and I thought I would open it with you. Hi to Susan, if you're watching. Susan said that she sometimes opens it when I open my box, so that's fun. So hi Susan. Okay, so it's a very pretty floral set. Let me get some white to put on the back so you can see what the stamps look like. Happy birthday, happy Mother's Day, hello, may good things grow all year long, what a beautiful friendship we've grown, and then there's this pretty kind of little swirly accent and a leaf and a flower. Very pretty. Lots of occasions that you can use that for. Okay, and then the color, Early Espresso, and oh, look at the really pretty wooden accents. Oh, a couple sheets of wooden accents. So you've got some laser cut little flowers here, some sprigs. That is really pretty. And this is the free gift for this month. And you get, oh, there's quite a few in here. Two sheets of these little accents. I bet they're the same on both sides. Okay, what's the kit? Oh, this looks really pretty. Okay, let's slit this open so we can get a better look at the contents. Ah! Alright, this has a very vintage feel to it, just looking at it from here. Really pretty set. So there are some little antique brads, which we used to sell, and we haven't in a while, and I miss them. I love antique brads. I love brads. Some baker's twine. This looks like fresh fig cotton ribbon. That is lovely. Okay, we've got some really, look at those roses. Really pretty roses on some craft paper and some pink. I'm not sure what pink that is. Is that Flirty Flamingo? Maybe. So that's really pretty. And oh, look at this. This is pretty. Is that the envelope? It is. Look at this really beautiful oh, it's like, they look like flower packets, like seed packets. Really pretty. Look at. Okay, so I count 8 of these, and then we've got some little pearls. This one has like a pinkish tone to it, and then this one's got that, I think it's fresh fig. Here's some card bases. These are crumb cake and fresh fig. I think that's fresh fig. So we've got 8 card bases and 8 of these. This one fits the seed packet probably. There we go. Oh, and look at these stickers. This reminds me a little bit of the stamp set in the Celebration catalog. That's, what's it called? Thankful Thoughts. It's a really pretty vintagey looking flower drawing. That's what this reminds me of. Really pretty. This looks like maybe lemon lime twist. Some So Saffron. Crushed curry maybe. I think that's powder pink. We've got some crumb cake and vanilla. This is really pretty, these little accents here. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 sheets of these really pretty cutouts. And we've got some more, oh, more cutouts, some more. These are really pretty little labels. Look at how pretty delicate details. A big sheet of dimensionals. Usually the sheet is this big. Look at this big sheet of dimensionals. That is nice. Some glue dots. This was just the cardboard to hold it all together. And then let's look at the picture of what we're going to make. Okay, so it looks like we're going to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 cards. And we've got 2 different styles, lots of layers and embellishments. Look at the, this is the envelope all decorated up, the little seed packet. This would be a really cute gift at maybe a banquet. You can put this on each person's seat, or you can give it to teacher gifts, Mother's Day. This is pretty for Easter, which is just a couple weeks away. Really beautiful. I just think the accents on this are just great. Now the wooden embellishments that came with it are not shown in this picture, so those are just extra. They kind of coordinate, so if you wanted to add some of these little wooden embellishments to the projects, you could, or you can save them and use them on your other projects because they are really sweet, and you can put those with just about anything. Those are fun. So you could see them kind of poking out if you wanted to add them, but I think there's a lot of layering going on here. Very pretty. I don't think it's necessary on these cards, but you can save these and use these on other projects. They're really fun. Okay, so that is the May Paper Pumpkin Good Things Grow kit. And if you didn't get one, let me know if you'd like one. I do have a couple. I always order extra. And I'll have them at Stamp Camp next Saturday, or you can contact me if I have any left after Stamp Camp. I'll let you know. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.